Hello, my name is Berman Jenkins, the founder of CoachJenkins.org and feature in the Diamond Partnership Program. And I just want to take a couple of minutes here and talk about some of the things that some of the entrepreneurs, independent business owners are in our association, some of the things that they're facing, some of the obstacles they may be going over. And what I'm noticing a pattern of that people love the products and services, they really respect the company, but they really lack the knowledge of the company that they're dealing with. And it's not so much that you got to know all the facts, but you got to focus on, you have access to an $11 billion company. What do you intend to do with those products and services? Well, most people say, I want to market and sell them. But it goes deeper than that. You have to understand that, how am I using these products and services? What is the end result? This is going to cause you to focus on what do you want with the products and services that you have to back your business. So the focus is the main thing. The next thing is the massive action plan. We talk about this all the time. I even have it on my website, on my blog, send it out once a week. Hey, the 5 fundamentals of business. You got to have a list. You got to contact and invite. You got to show people the videos. You got to get them registered as a client or an independent business owner, and you got to train them and get referrals. The business is very simple. And I notice many of you like, well, the business is not growing as fast as I want to. And that's because you're not leveraging the business to add value to your own life. It really doesn't matter how much you know, it's how much you enjoy. Are you emotionally involved with the products and services? But most importantly, are you emotionally involved in the end result that you desire to get from your business? And that, my friend, will allow you to develop and use the 5 fundamentals to achieve and really execute your what I'm calling your map, your massive action plan. So don't worry about how many people they're saying no, because I believe that you're not emotionally tied to the end result that you're seeking with your business. If you don't have an end result, a desire, you have not done the Think and Grow Rich workbook. So for more information, contact me via email or text, and let's get some data, some feedback on what it is that you really want to desire. What is the end result that you're seeking with being an independent business owner or an investor? I'll give you an idea over the next 15-20 seconds here. I've really been using the personal development and the health aspect of talking with people and getting the opportunity to ask them if I could show you some solutions, right? If I can add value to you with some information, or even becoming a member of my Diamond Partnership Program, would you be interested in at least taking a look at the information? I didn't mention anything to them about being in business or selling any type of product. I just simply offer information that meets their needs. And if those needs are going to help me and the organization achieve our end result by helping them, like Zig Ziglar said, if you help other people get all they want, you'll get what you want. So once again, focus on the 5 fundamentals and your end result. So focus on the end result, learn the 5 fundamentals, and really just enjoy going out talking to people, because you actually have something you can offer them if they are looking. So once again, this is Berman Jenkins, known as Coach Jenkins with the Diamond Partnership Program. You have a great day.